periodic symbol for 10 is SN. Let's get started with the 10 Hedgehog. Safety first. You'll need a pair of goggles. Check. Gloves. Glove 1, check. Glove 2, check. Sodium hydrogen sulfate. Pour the whole thing in it. But be careful. Someone went out. Oh no, it's getting on the tray. Put the cap on it. Then we're going to shake it. Shake it, baby. So shake it for 30 seconds. If you do it too long, then you failed. It's okay. It's okay, but you kind of failed. You are going to open it after that 30 seconds. Now you got it halfway, right guys? So next we're going to put a 1 little zinc. Then you're going to close it with the lid. It's going to take 10 or 20 minutes, so we'll come back and see what the results are. We're going to speed up the video, so. Alright, it's been enough time, let's see the results. So it's not kind of circle, it's kind of pointy. It looks like tiny, tiny paper clips on each other. And not as looking as what we expected, but it still looks good. Hello, welcome to the Magnus Effect, and today I'm going to make 10 Dendrite metal trees. First, you'll need a pair of Gloggles. Tape 2. So first, you'll need a pair of... So safety first, you'll need a pair of glasses, safety glasses, then gloves. Gloves, check. Step 1, put sodium hydrogen sulfate into tin chloride. So let's just do that. I got the lid nice and tight. Now I'm going to shake for 30 seconds. Gonna wait for 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to open it, and then I am going to pour all of it in. Well, that is cool. That is cool. Now we're going to put that there. 2 drops of dish soap. Oh, 2 drops, right? Then now, shake it. Now you got to take this. Okay, so then I'm going to take this one carefully. Take it on. Take the red one. Do it on the other side. Be also careful. The wire almost got in. There. Connecting the points to the disc makes an electrical charge which creates a reaction. We're going to do a time lapse and see how it grows. been about 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Say what you think about our tin tree in the comments, or leave a like if you like it, or leave a dislike if you don't like it. And if you want to see more videos, subscribe and hit that bell.